Hello my friends and welcome back. Leanna here. It's episode 386 of What's on the Porch. Today we have 2 boxes from Juvia's place. We have, I think it's a Black Friday mystery box with a small order, and then we have the holiday mystery box with a small order. So we're going to unbox both of them. So let's start with the Black Friday. I'll set that one over there. Let me make sure. Yep, Black Friday mystery box. Okay, so here's what I ordered. I ordered the bronzer in light. I believe I got it on sale. Here's the packaging. Very cute. It has a mirror in it. And then there's what the bronzer looks like. Very pretty. I think I can make that work. Looks a little orange. I've always wanted to try one of their bronzers. Okay, and everything else is the mystery bundle, the Black Friday mystery bundle. So we have the Nubian 2, and I already have this palette. As a matter of fact, I just bought this palette the 1st of October. And now here I have it again. But that's okay. I know what to do with this palette. I'm not going to open it because it's sealed on both ends. And then I got Velvet Matte Lipstick in Kiwi. Look how cute the packaging is. That's super cute with the little logo on top. Little tiny lipstick. That's a pretty color. Let's swatch it. Ooh, that's really pretty. So obviously I'm keeping that. And then we have Eyeline I Define Pen Eyeliner in black. Ooh, that is a big old long, oh, but it feathers really nice. Look, I made some kitty cat whiskers. That's nice. I like that. Alright, so that's the Black Friday mystery bundle that cost me $18. And the bronzer cost me $9, but I had a coupon for $5.40 off. So I'm not mad at that. That palette will end up being a Christmas gift. So now let's look at the holiday bundle and what I ordered. Well, I got the Nubian 2 again. That doesn't make me happy at all. Y'all should not do that. I am going to definitely email them and see if they will let me exchange. Alright, let's see if I can figure out, because it's all jumbled up, what I ordered and what was in the... Okay, so I've never ever had a problem with Juvia's place. I love their products. I've never had a problem with any of my orders or shipping, nothing. But today, so I got the exact, almost the exact same mystery bundle. I got this, and I got the eyeliner again. And then the other two things in that holiday mystery bundle is this loose highlighter, ice loose highlighter. I don't think that they should put the exact same palette in both holiday, in both bundles. Why would you do that? I don't understand. And then the other item that I got is this glass lip gloss. It's electric, and I don't wear lip gloss, but I'm not mad that I have it because I can pass this off. It has a shrink wrap safety seal on it, so I can put this in your giveaway box, or I can include it in a gift for Christmas. So that was the holiday gift bundle. I'm missing part of my order. So I ordered the Allure 2 palette, and it is not in my box, so I will have to email them about that. And I ordered a black eyeliner. I'm not mad about that either because, I mean, I will use it. And my daughter Brandy likes the felt tip black eyeliners too, so I can send her one. I ordered the Luxe Lip Liner in red because I'm trying to embrace red, and I didn't have very many red lip liners, so I'm excited about that. And I also ordered the red cherry, does that say cherry? Velvet matte lipstick in perfect red. There's the packaging, and you can see the difference between the full size and then what you get in the mystery box. Oh, look at how dark that red is. That is so pretty. I'm excited to try that. Embracing the reds, y'all. Embracing the reds. And then I ordered the Nubian 3 Coral palette. This is a very pretty palette. I have this palette. I bought this for somebody as a Christmas gift, so I'm not going to open it. And then I also got the I Live, I Love eye kit. So let's open that up and see. So this has I Prep, I Prime eye primer. And I have been wanting to try one of their eye primers. This is in the color 2. This is their eye primer. Oh, it's a lot more liquidy than I thought it was going to be. I put it right on top of that bronzer. That's what that looks like. That feels nice. I like that. And then I'm pretty sure that this is the palette that goes with that. I love Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. Here's what the palette looks like. It has a mirror in it, which normally they don't. And look at how pretty the colors are. Very pretty palette. I'm excited to try that. Ooh, look at that red glitter. That is just straight up glitter, y'all. And it stuck to my finger. Normally they'll come off on your hand. Look at how pretty that blue is. I'm running out of spots, y'all. That's pretty right there. right here. Then the other three are mattes. That one's pretty. Look at how shiny those are. Oof. That looks really orange next to that red, doesn't it? Very pretty. So I'm excited about that, but I will have to reach out to them and find out where my other palette is that they didn't send me. I had a coupon on this one too for $15.20, so I saved some money, and they were having a sale, so I did not pay full price. If you keep an eye out on Juvia's place, you can find lots of really good sales. They have a lot of good sales. So there we go. There's my Black Friday mystery box that was almost the same as my holiday mystery box. And 2 little small orders. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me open my Juvia's Place orders. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, we need to get you some red lipstick, and I'll send you one of these pins so you can draw kitty whiskers on your face, and then you will be the prettiest fisherman on the lake. Okay? And maybe some orange and some red glitter. I'll bring it all with me when I come in January so we can play, okay? Mama loves you, boo.